Italtel is proposing in the Mobile World Congress 2017 a very important project where we are collaborating within Sesamie. It is a funded project of 5G PPP Phase 1. It is strongly focused on the virtualization of the small cell. The concept that we are developing is very important because we are going to modify the structure of the small cell, as you can see in this picture, and we are moving all the intelligence in the cloud and leaving on the antennas as a physical element to accede to the network. This is a very important topic within 5G ecosystem because we will have very high frequencies to manage. And finally, the problem will be how we can serve indoor environment in a very effective way. The solution is the adoption of the small cell, and we are also proposing a very smart application that enable very important functionalities in the small cell. But let's go to give a look to the structure of the new architecture of the small cell. We are going to remove all the functionalities from the antennas and moving the logic within a set of WNF that are in the what we define mobile edge computing level. As you can see in this other picture, the light DC, that is the set of the microserver that gather the functionalities that I mentioned previously, have the two important elements. The first one is the interconnection with the APC of the tenants, of the operators that want to have this service, and additionally there are a set of other WNF that give the services. In this set of WNF, we have the Italtel VTU. Italtel VTU is the Virtual Transcoding Unit WNF, and it provides a set of services within the small cell. I would like to remark that a very important requirement in the 5G ecosystem will be the strong reduction of the latency, and how we can address this requirement in the small cell. The idea is essentially the fact that we need to do video caching in the mobile edge computing, also provided from the small cell. Our demo for this Mobile World Congress is essentially based on the fact that we try to send a video, HD video, towards a storage service provider. And we have both ways to manage this possibility. The first is direct, pass through the 5G APC or whatever infrastructure that the mobile service operator can offer. It's clear that in a crowded situation it would be very hard to do this uploading of the video. Alternatively, we have another proposal that is do caching of the video in our small cell new concept. The idea is to upload in a very short time the video in the small cell, leveraging our application, Virtual Transcoding Unit, and giving this content available for the people that are in the coverage of small cell, in order to have to enjoy this video and to have the possibility to share the video, also defining different quality, in order to better address the capabilities of the device that the user is using. Additionally, the application will do the forwarding of the contents of the video that has been uploaded previously in the storage service provider when the condition of the network will be optimal. Just to close our presentation, the evolution of the small cell introduced a very important new business model for the service operator, because considering the fact that the small cells will be located in environment where we provide to have a crowded situation, sporadic crowded situation, it could be that the service provider, the operator, need to have this coverage for a range of times. In the stadium, in the malls, in the airports, for example. And it is possible leveraging two important requirements. The first is the idea to interconnect the infrastructure when it is needed. The second one is use the tools of the ONF infrastructure and parallel. The idea is at the end to install the application in the infrastructure of the service provided as the small cell infrastructure when the service is needed. And it decouples at the end the possibilities, because the service provider that usually has the normal mobile coverage can add this additional coverage just to address this particular situation. Finally, what we are discussing within this project is the fact that we need to also address the possibility to handle the handover among the different coverage, small cells and normal RAN of the operators, in order to give the continuity of the experience for the user.